Hello, welcome everybody. Welcome to My Girl Budgeting. I am Jack. And on today's video, guys, we're going to be doing my milestone challenges as far as like my YouTube, Etsy, no spend, and then I do have a couple of dings, completed savings challenges that I did, so I'm going to update that as well. And then also I'm going to go into Mickey's subscriber train, so I'm going to be releasing that here on my community post sometime today. If not today, then tomorrow, but you guys will definitely see that on my community post as far as what the incentive is, and I'm gonna go over what I'm gonna be giving as part of the incentive, and then also just, you know, let's go ahead and just jump into the video. Hold on guys, I'll be right back. Okay, I thought my granddaughter was starting to cry, but anyways guys, if you are new to my channel, my name is Jack. Like I said, this is my milestones video. I like to update everybody on my milestones as far as what I've hit this past week and get you guys up to date on everything outside of regular savings that I do. If you are new, I would love for you guys to hit that subscribe button and join in on the fun that we do with my channel as far as savings, budgeting, and then also giveaways, freebies. I tend to give out a lot, and I will be announcing that here shortly. But also, I'm just working myself to be debt free, and so this is what has been helping me, holding me accountable, and also getting to meet amazing people throughout this community. So let's go ahead and jump into it. We're gonna go ahead and jump into my no spend, because before I forget that, let's go ahead and jump into my inspiration card for today, guys. So on today's inspirational card, we have Jesus is the anchor of my soul, and that is Hebrews 6:19. I love that card. That's a real pretty card. So we'll put that here. Alright, and then next, of course, if we count out my cash, guys, I'm finally going to get my nails done. I finally saved to be able to have a sinking fund for my nails, and I'm going to be doing my nails this weekend. So I'm looking forward to doing that because, yeah, my hands are horrible right now. So let's go ahead and count my cash. Alright, sorry, I was just trying to pull my cash out. And then we're also going to do my Christmas savings, because I at least want to try to tackle that little by little. Alright. What else am I doing? My mind is going blank. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into my no spend. Well, first count my cash, right? That's what I keep saying. So let's see, and alright, I think this is what we need. sort my money here. I have it all backwards. Alright, I think that's right. Alright, so we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 39. Forgot that. Let's see. Alright. Okay, now let's separate it. I have my granddaughter in my hands, that's why one hand, so that's why you're only gonna see one hand with me. Alright, let's see if I can get this organized. Okay, so first up first, we're gonna go ahead and see what we spent from the 4th through the 12th. So for sure, I know I spent on the 4th. Wait, that's Monday. Monday, Sunday, Saturday, Friday. Friday for sure we spent. Wait, Friday, Saturday, no. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, yeah. On the 5th, because we went to the movies. We went to go see Immaculate. Me and my daughter. I did not spend Thursday, but I did on the 6th. And on the 7th, I did not. 8th, Monday, no. I cooked at home. Ninth, nothing. No spin on the 10th. And on the 11th, I did spin, which was yesterday. And today, I'm probably gonna spend for dinner. I don't know yet. Hopefully, I don't. Yeah, I don't. Alright, so now we owe $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8 there. I'm probably gonna need to get a little bit more extra money. So I'm adding $4 more because I think I didn't grab enough. Let me get my binder. Alright, we're gonna jump into no spend. So that is right here. So for that one, we are gonna go to this one, and I said $8, so we'll pull the 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright. So now I'm gonna come over here, put $8 for no spend. Pull out what we have now. So we have currently 20, 40, 5, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $57. Alright, next up, I'm gonna mark where I paid up to so I can know what I have, where else to be able to finish. Okay, so next up is our YouTube. So as of YouTube right now, I don't think I hit another milestone on my hours, but I did hit a milestone for my subscriber count. So let me jump into that part. So we are at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 50. Oh no, I did get hit 650. So I'm at 687, so I'm not gonna actually do. And we are good here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And actually we are at 1400. So that was a good thing that I took a look at that. So we are adding 10 to YouTube for my watch hours. If you guys are not familiar, I am tracking my YouTube with this monetized tracker for YouTube. Each of these icons is worth 100 hours of watch time. Once I hit 100, I pay $10 toward this, $50 toward every, or $5 toward every 50 subscribers I get down here. So, and that's until I hit that milestone, or complete the 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So, I got the 10. Now we're gonna get a marker. To color in for the 1400. Bless you. Alright. Let's go ahead and get my YouTube here envelope. And this is on my Etsy, guys, if you are interested in wanting to track your own and you're starting. Yeah, I do have it available as well. So we are adding the 5s. And now we show to have 100. Let's do this backwards. So we have 100. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 205, guys. That is awesome. And I think out of this I will be, once I complete it, I should have $500. Let's put that in here. Alright. Let's see, what is up next? Next we have, I don't know if I need to keep this. I probably do. Yes, I do need to keep it. So we have my Etsy sales. And I've hit another couple, I think, states. I have some repeat states on here, but I know I have some new states on here. So we actually have, I made 9 sales in the past week or so. And so I'm gonna pull that 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And those states are it would be nice if I showed y'all the states. So the states that we are going to be coloring in today are Colorado. Well, I already got one for Colorado. I got actually 2 hits on Colorado this month. So we're gonna put, well, there's 1 dot, and I'll put another dot down here for those 2. Then we have North Carolina, got 1 today, so that is a new state I'm coloring. Okay, and now we have 2 from Pennsylvania, I believe, or 1. 1 from Pennsylvania, I think is what it is. So I'm gonna mark a little dot there. See if that one stays. And I did get a hit from New York. So I get to color in New York now. That is awesome. Well, all of it's awesome, but pretty awesome. New York. And then we also have another Mississippi one. So Mississippi is gonna be getting a dot for today. Alright, and then what up next is Tennessee got 1. So that is a new state I am coloring as well. Okay. And then, oh, I didn't even color all the way through. Okay. And then next up is, where else? We got Mississippi. Another one in Florida. And then for Florida, I'm gonna try to use this red. So mark. And then what else did we have? North Carolina, New York, Mississippi. Oh, New Mexico. Got another one. We're gonna mark in New Mexico. All right. There's New Mexico. And I believe that is it. Pennsylvania, New Mexico, Mississippi, New York, Florida, Colorado, Tennessee, and North Carolina. Yes, that is it. So we'll be able to pull my, where is it? Where did I put this one? This binder. We are adding the $9 to this challenge, so we should have 4, 12, $9. That is awesome. Now we should have 30. What is that? $36. Yes. This. Probably need to condense this. So we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 and 36. She is just going on about her business, guys, and then talking, making her little noises until I stop. Alright, so next up, guys, is, I think we're done with this one. Let me make sure. Yeah, we are done with this one. Now we're gonna pull out my ding ding ding, which is some completed savings I had. With that, I did, where is it? It's backwards, yeah. Right here, I did have completed 3 savings last week, so we're going to be adding $3 to this. 2 and 3. And now, so we got $3. We're going to add 3 to my tracker. So 12, 3. And now we should have $16. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, guys. So anyways, let me go ahead and count this one over again. I am back. I have my 2 hands again. Alright, so we should have 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. For ding ding ding. Alright. Let me put this in here. Probably need to. Alright, so now our final one, guys, is going to be our lovely Christmas challenge. So for this one, it is this 25 days of Christmas that I'm working on for the year. Hopefully I do plan, and I am going to work on trying to get this one completed sometime in hopefully by Thanksgiving, and have this ready for our Christmas celebrating. So we are going to go ahead and jump into it. I allotted myself $12, so 1, 2, and 3. I knew I grabbed one more than I should have. That's okay. So we're going to go to our 12 slot, because these are all done, and jumping into 12. So go ahead and put this in here. Ooh. And next up, I'll be working on doing 13, and then I think these will be, yeah, 13 and 14, 16, 17, 19, 18, 19, I think 20 already has one, 20, so yeah. So I'll be working on 13 next go round. Alright, so put that away. Now let's go ahead and make sure I counted everything. So we did my YouTube for 10. Etsy got 9. No Spin got 8. Ding 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 got 3. And Christmas. So with that, that should be 10, 19, 27, 20, 29, 30, $42 that we have. So 42. Now I'm gonna come to, oh, I haven't even been filling this out. What? My goodness. Okay, penny savings. What was it? Penny, $1.83. So I want to say this one was, and I have it written. Now that I think about it, I put it on this one for the month. So we are at 827. That's what I, 827 for penny savings challenge. I can't believe I haven't filled this out. Monday mini mashup. No. Monday minis. Sorry. Monday minis was $10. Then Wednesdays was mini mashup. And that was $12, and then we of course had $20 for roll the dice. And today is, how much was it? 42 for Milestone savings. Okay, and let me go ahead and jump on this. So we did Milestone. Okay, girl, go away, please. No, that is not right. This is from last time. Gosh, that's not right. So this one is not right, for sure. So we did do $10 on Monday minis. And then Tuesday was penny. And I'll have to look at that one because I think it was $9.83. I want to say. Put a little question mark, and then Monday or mini mashup was 12. Roll the dice 20, and then Milestone was 42. Alright, so that is it. I have one more challenge, I think, for Saturday, and then I'll be able to start week 3 and 4. Okay, so that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was kind of a pretty easy video, but I hope you did. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That way you guys can join the crew and take part in all the things that I've got going on. Oh, one thing I did forget to mention is I am going to be releasing the Mickey subtrain. So guys, be watching out for that community post, as it, you know, as some of those who have participated, basically it is a subscribe train for those who are joining the community and releasing their own videos and so on and so forth to gain subscribers. All you have to do is subscribe, basically hit that hash on my community post. I'll have it all in the description as well on the post, but you'll basically click hashtag start. For any of those that want to participate, you have to go publicly subscribe to everybody that does hashtag start. and watch at least 2 of the videos for them, and like their videos. 2 videos to like and comment on, and then you also basically, it's like sub for sub. So if you are a channel and you do it for somebody, then you know that's just basically spreading the love and getting those new YouTubers that are joining. I know there's a lot of new channels that are out there that want to, you know, build up their subscriber count. And on this, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go back to, I think this was the biggest like incentive that I did last time from the first time that I did it, and I think I'm gonna just probably go back to this one because everybody tended to like this one. So you will be getting, for that incentive, and you guys have to like, comment, and as well as subscribe to my channel publicly. And once you do that, I will have my email address. You guys email me to be able to release this sinking funds trackers. So basically, this is the dashboard you will get. You get to print it out as a digital download, and then you will be getting 1 page for home. I mean, each of these dashboards pages is what you will be getting. So you will be getting 11 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, including the dashboard, to track your sinking funds. So I changed it up from the last time. So there is a goal, the money, date, and then money. You want to total it out, basically, to track your sinking funds that you're for your home. And it can be anything pertaining to home. It doesn't have to necessarily be just your home, but and then we have medical, so anything for medical, transportation, and then also travel, household, shopping, birthdays, and leisure, holidays, and savings. And anybody who has already been a part of that, the last time I gave this away, I will have an additional printout for you guys if you already took part in it. And I mean, I pretty much have been able to keep track of all that. So if you guys, but yeah, so basically all you have to do is email me once you've done the subscribe. So basically you have to subscribe to all those who hit the hashtag start, subscribe to my channel, like and comment on 2 of my videos, as well as, you know, follow the train throughout everybody who is doing this participation. And then once you do that, you can email me, and I'll have my email in the description, and I will release this to you guys that participate. So much love, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next video. Watch out for that post, okay? Bye.